Hello, everybody.
Hello.
We got another opening today. Doing an opening for toy. We have the mining crew.
Michael.
8 figures inside. We got the mining crew right here. So this is Lil Fox, Sneaker Fox, Lil Fox. And so this is Lil Fox's new channel. And Lil Fox is going to be reviewing his toys.
My tools.
Yeah. So what we have here, these are the 8 characters inside. So let's go ahead and open it up. You want to open it, buddy? You didn't say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Okay. How do we open this?
Button that.
Figure out how we open this. Here we go. Open it right here.
Open it.
Toys are kind of hard to open.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, sit up. Wait. Slow down. We don't want them all to fall down. Take it out slowly. See? Where you going, buddy? Wait. Ugh. Okay, wait.
Okay.
So here are the characters right here.
We'll open it.
We gotta open it. Oh, we got one more layer.
One more there.
Yeah. We gotta open one more layer. Come on. See where we open it up. There it goes. Slow down, buddy. Whoa. Here we go. There we go. We'll show everybody. We got, oh, he's broken apart. We got this guy right here. This guy right here.
He got it.
Look, he doesn't have no pants though. We got this guy. We have this guy. Okay, let's show everyone else the other ones. Let's show the camera. Show the camera the one you have. Yeah, so we got this guy.
Who was it?
We got this guy.
Who was it?
Okay. We got this guy.
Who was it?
Okay, we got 2 more. We got this guy right here.
Right here.
Let me see that one and show everyone. And this guy right here.
Right here.
Here you go.
That's it.
We got this guy right here.
Right here.
We got this guy right here.
That's it.
Okay, so this guy's broken. Let me put him back together. Let's put them together. There we go. We got this guy right here.
That's it.
All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Bye. Till next time.